In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset PowerPoint to its default settings. If you've ever found yourself wishing that PowerPoint would just go back to the way it was before you made any customizations, you're in the right place. Whether you've experimented with different configurations or shared your computer with someone who made a few too many tweaks, resetting can help you start fresh. Let's get started. First, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. This is as simple as clicking the PowerPoint icon wherever it's located on your computer, either on your desktop, in your taskbar, or through your program list. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and either open an existing presentation or create a new one. Feel free to add any photos, tables, or other content if you'd like. This will help you see the difference once we reset the settings. Next, click on File, located in the top menu bar, and then navigate to the Options tab from the drop-down menu. Doing so will open a new window with several different settings categories for you to explore. However, for our purposes, we're interested in the Customize Ribbon section, which you'll find on the left side of this window. Once you're in the Customize Ribbon tab, look toward the bottom of the dialog box, and you'll see a button labeled Reset. When you click on this button, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Reset All Customizations. This action will undo all the custom changes you've made to the toolbar and ribbon, restoring them to their original state. Finally, after choosing to reset all customizations, simply click OK to save your changes. This is a crucial step because it confirms to PowerPoint that you really do want to revert everything back to default settings. Once you've hit that OK button, PowerPoint will start fresh the next time you open it. And there you have it. Resetting PowerPoint can be a quick and effective way to remove any unwanted customizations and get back to a clean slate. Whether you're handing off your presentations to someone else or just want to clear away the clutter, these steps will guide you in making your PowerPoint experience as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.